Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix this reel is unavailable in Instagram 2023. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is we want to actually clear the data we have for Instagram to reset our application. So here you don't need to go to your settings, just click and hold on Instagram, and from here you want to go to your app info. Under app info, you want to click on the clear data option there, and from here just click on clear all data. Once you've done that, you need to go to your Play Store and search for Instagram. So here you need to ensure that you have the latest version for Instagram. So if you have any updates, just click on the update button there and wait for it to install. Once the update and installation is complete, just click on the open button there and check if that solves your issue. So if that doesn't solve your issue, we have another way. So our other way is actually contacting Instagram support to ask assistance on fixing this issue. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to the bottom right corner of your screen. That's where your profile is located. And from here, you want to click on the top right corner of the screen. That's where your three bar icon is. And from here, you want to go to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you want to scroll down at the very bottom and just click on help. And from here, you want to click on report a problem. And from here, you just need to make sure that the shake phone to report a problem option is enabled on your phone. So once you've done that, you just need to go to Reels and search for the problem that you encountered on the this reel is unavailable on Instagram. So you just need to go to Instagram Reel, and once you see the problem that this reel is unavailable in Instagram, you just need to shake your phone. And once you shake your phone, the did something go wrong option will appear on your screen, and just click on report a problem. And from here, you want to click on the include and continue. And here, just explain that you are receiving the issue that this reel is unavailable in Instagram, and just hit on send. You just need to wait for the response of Instagram support and notify you what's the problem in your account. And that's basically it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.